Today, the food and beverage industry is faced with relentless pressure on margins due to volatile commodity prices, labor costs, and constant shifts along the supply chain. Capital expenditure constraints from low growth along with shifts in regional demand limit investment in new equipment. With consumers seeking more healthful and organic choices, there's a rising need for variety. And while regulatory obligations regarding food safety, ingredient labeling, and the environment increase, rapid response to safety and quality incidents can make or break a brand's reputation and value. Digital transformation enabled by the industrial IoT, cloud, mobility, and predictive analytics solutions empowers food and beverage manufacturers to transform their businesses and achieve significant value. With the help of AVEVA, manufacturers are able to improve operational performance, increase revenue, and maintain customer satisfaction through the digital transformation of their processes. This is possible through a model-driven software approach to standardizing global practices and reducing the total cost of ownership. Improving asset reliability empowers manufacturers to manage constraints on capital investments and increase production from existing assets. Manufacturers have been able to defer costly investment in new assets by reducing unplanned downtime, improving equipment effectiveness, and increasing productivity with a reduction in waste. Poor quality, contaminated, mislabeled, or counterfeit goods that reach the consumer can cause a significant impact to a business, destroying trust in the brand. Digital end-to-end traceability and quality documentation prevents suspect products from reaching the consumer, enables adherence to quality and safety regulatory compliance standards, and ultimately preserves brand equity while building trust and improving satisfaction among consumers. Digital recipe management empowers manufacturers to stay flexible in the face of changing consumer demands. As a recognized leader in food and beverage manufacturing operations, we work with 23 of the top 25 food and beverage manufacturers to enable improvements in 4 specific areas: operational performance, asset reliability, consumer traceability, and recipe agility. AVEVA's food and beverage solutions offer best-in-class delivery, with global teams to ensure successful rollouts. By improving efficiency, reducing cost, and preserving brand equity, food and beverage companies can maximize profits and maintain a competitive edge within the marketplace.